Hi friends, how are you? Today we'll draw a bird from number 3. Let's start the drawing. We do the extension here. You see 3 is here. First of all, let's draw a straight line. And extend this line and connect with this one. So we are making the connection. Let's connect another line here. Let's draw another line. This is the eye of the bird. And we do a little detail here. It has something on its head, and let's put wings here. Wings have long feathers like this. All right, so it has extension of the leg here. We can do one more thing, like the bird is sitting on a branch of a tree. Then we can draw a branch here. Do another extension of branch here. Put a leaves on it. All right. Now if we want to make the drawing more interesting, we can do the little detailing here. We can put some shades, and let's start from the wings too. So this looks like this. All right. This is the body. Tail is here. The drawing is getting a 3D effect when you draw the tail. So this is the branch. Let's do detailing on the branch too. All right, you can put another leaf here. All right, this is the drawing. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, like, and share the drawings. And thank you so much. Please subscribe the channel Blue Hand Drawing. Thank you. Have a good day.